Hello, my beautiful friends of love and light. I am back again today. Today I have got my dose from sun. All of the time we guys are talking about full moon, new moon and everything. And yesterday I did a healing with the solstice energy and the full moon energy, but still it was the healing on the mind, and the emphasis most probably was on subconscious again. And everybody, all of my friends also started looking forward for the full moon healing, that my beautiful friends of love and light were asking me to come live for the full moon healing. And I had a concern. I was like, okay, let me find out time for the full moon healing. And here comes the sun god right at the beginning of this day, giving me a knock knock bang down on my head, because when I got up in the morning today, I was feeling absolutely drained of my energy. And I was like, what's wrong with me? Maybe I did a very strong healing yesterday, and that could be the reason I'm feeling so much drained in my energy. I didn't go out for walk because the sun was there. I was like, right at the beginning, every day there is so much sun. I get tanned, I feel so much heat. And that was my bad attitude. And what I did, I was like, okay, let me go and let me put some nice cold water to the sun god. So I went out in my balcony and I took a glass of good water, cold water, and I put it to sun. And I was praying that, today is solstice. Please give us blessings, and all the time creeping about sun, and then going to the sun god and telling, give us all blessings of your solstice energy, this, that. And then I came inside and sat down for my meditation. And during all of my meditation, I was getting a scolding kind of a, energy from the sun god, telling me that, okay, you want only all the time talking about the moon energy. Moon energy is subconscious energy. Moon energy is 90% or more stronger than the conscious energy. All the time about moon energy. Keep doing your shadow work only. And was like, what about the sun energy? When it's the day of my importance, all of you and your friends are also asking for the full moon healing. What about the sun healing? And all of that came to me just as I connected with the energy. It was a blast out, complete. And so I'm here because the sun energy did, energize me. It brought me back my vitality. I took my healings with the sun energy first, and I was energized. And that is when I realized that all of the reading that I did for this week had the major emphasis of the sun card. And I was telling you guys in the reading that, you guys are the sun, that is who you are. And this is the energy that the summer solstice wants us to induce in our body, dear friends. So before the full moon healing, I am here whole soul, not combining the energy of the solstice with the energy of the full moon. Whole soul dedication to the energy of the sun, which is our solar plexus chakra, which is our conscious mind, which is our vitality, which is our happiness, which is our joy, which is the fun, which is the inner child, which is all of the vibrant energy. So dear friends, it is so important to give equal importance to the sun and the moons. I'm sitting here, and this is a reminder for me and all of my friends, and even moonlight, they say, needs sunlight also. So all of you all start paying more attention to the energy of sun, and I have Better Home and Garden Essential Oil, lemon and mandarin, all of the sun energy, all of the lemon energy I'm using. This energy is for your home and your gardens, revitalizing. It is beautiful fragrance of lemon and mandarins, and I infused you with the sun, the symbol of sun also. Dear friends, keep soaking in this high vibrational energy of the sun god that we are going to put into our aura, in our chakras, energy body, and especially in our soul star chakra. I'm going to read the cards also, dear friends, and I have a few crystals with me, but I'm extremely so thankful to the sun god and the energy of the summer solstice that brought this to my attention also, that all of my journey of healing I have been emphasizing a lot with the moon energy. Definitely I cannot, I just love the moon energy. That is the divine feminine energy, and the sun is the divine father energy. Sun is our father, moon is our mother. That is the Luna feminine energy, and this is the fatherly energy. And we cannot forget our father, our God sun. So here we are inducing our body, mind, soul, especially enlightening our aura. This is always so difficult to open. And this is for the solar plexus chakra, the incense that I am using. Our personal sun in our body, dear friends, is the solar plexus chakra. Like I told you, our personal moon is the causal chakra. Let me go and bring the scissors, dear friends. Alright, I have the scissors with me now. Must be they want me to do some cord cuttings also, that's why the scissors are here. You guys have all been induced to the energies of Reiki, and the sun energy is also flowing into your body already. As I'm talking to you, I'm giving you all of the messages that are important, and this is for the summer solstice or the winter solstice, depends on which hemisphere you are living in. This energy is going to be induced into your body for the upcoming 6 months and going forward. We are going to read what is there in the sun card. That is what they want to bring for us. So just can't emphasize that, what they showed me was the power of sun. That was what they were saying, that okay, all the clearing you want to do with the moon's energy, but everything that you want in your life, your successes, your fame, your popularity, all of it is going to come through the sun card. So through the sun. Okay, so I have with me another essential oil. We have the lemon. Okay, I am going to put it on your solar plexus chakra. So here I am massaging your solar plexus chakra. We are going to feed in the energy of the sun in your solar plexus chakra, dear friends. So in your solar plexus chakra right now, you guys can sense more burps. If there is any release that is happening, eventually a lot of joy, happiness. I also took the card that the Archangel Michael gave to us, that was Decide to Be Happy, and it's going to come from the solstice energy. Okay, I have a few crystals also that they have given me. Let me incorporate the crystal energy as well. Serpentine, dear friends, this is an extremely grounding crystal. It has the yellow and the earth color, brown color, and this is going to ground this sun's energy into our root chakra, our feet chakra, our Alsta chakra, into Mother Earth, Mother Gaia. Okay. Soak in the energy of the sun. If you want to close your eyes, you can imagine that the high rays of the sun, yellow color, bright yellow orange color of the sun, exactly this color you can imagine, is filling in your solar plexus chakra, your sacral chakra, your navel chakra, I am going to read the cards, dear friends, but I am just sensing that just as I connected with the sun's energy, I want to fill in this energy into your entire body. And from your solar plexus chakra, this high vibrational energy of the sun will start to move equally from the solar plexus chakra, moving upward to your heart chakra, to your thymus chakra, to your throat chakra, to your third eye chakra, your Alta Major chakra, your crown chakra, your causal chakra, your soul star chakra, galactic chakra, universal chakra. Moving through the stellar gateway, the energy merges back into the sun. And again, going back to your solar plexus chakra, we bring the energy down into your sacral chakra. From the sacral chakra, we bring this energy of sun down into the root chakra. Now energizing, expanding the root chakra, bringing the energy down, growing roots to the root chakra and intermingling the sun's rays with these roots. Just imagine the orangish sun's light energy moving down through your hips, through your genitals, through your legs, through your knees, through your calves, through your ankles. All of it like orange yellow color. This sun's energy moving into your feet, engulfing your feet chakras, your toes, your heels, moving this high vibrational sun's energy into your expanded Earth Star chakra, bringing the energy down of the bright sun into the womb of Mother Earth, Mother Gaia, going through the layers of earth, penetrating down deep into the heart, into the entire body of Mother Earth, Mother Gaia, anchoring the energy of the solstice into the body of Mother Earth, Mother Gaia, as above, so below, connected with the sun energies from the galaxy, the great central sun, and the earth energy with Mother Earth, Mother Gaia. Bringing the energy on to your aura. So I'm going to use, alright, let me use, this is another incense. This is also for the solar plexus chakra. All of it is yellow, all of the crystals are yellow, dear friends. And after this healing, you will see a special kind of energy in your body. You know, I was sensing this lack of energy and I was unaware for why it is happening. I was thinking that, you know, maybe I did a strong healing yesterday, or maybe it's the full moon energy. And here comes in the sun's energy telling us all that, you know, and do you see that, you know, we are not empowering our sun energy, we are not empowering our solar plexus chakra, which is the center of our body, our entire body. Now this chakra is inside our body, and this gives us health and vitality. So the main emphasis on this chakra is extremely important for our health, vitality, and they're telling me so much of laughter, humor is going to come into your life. I mean, the sun is literally talking and saying that I'm the one who gives the light to the moon also. And moon is all your shadow work, all your crying release. I mean, it's just like a small little child explaining that, what is it? You're not even paying attention to me. So how much we love the sun energy, dear friends. It's like, the sun is like, our loved ones that we keep waiting for the holiday seasons. Like, all of the winters we are looking for the sun to come out. It's like waiting for your child to come home or your parents to visit you. And when they actually come home and visit you, you become so stressed in just 2 days. Oh my God, dealing with them. It's like the sun says that you made me that kind of energy. All of the winters you were like, running after me, wishing to see me, take my energy, and I'm here to vitalize you all of the season of summer. Or for the others who are in the winter solstice, it's the other way around. Soak in the energy as much as you want whenever it is possible. So love me when I'm there. Get nurtured. Soak in the vitamin D. I am here for a purpose. Coming out every day, brightening your life. So we have many other crystals. This is the amber crystal. I also pulled out, it's the amber crystal. It is like, this crystal is like boosting our immune system completely. I have the aragonite. This is the carnelian, a red carnelian. Then I have the sunstone. I have the fire agate. This one is celestine, yellow celestine. This one is leopard jasper. And here is the serpentine. So now I am going to send all of this energy onto your aura, your solar plexus chakra, your energy stellar gateway, onto your aura and your Merkaba. Fill in the energy of the sun, dear friends. Soak it in. And let me say the Bij mantra for the solar plexus chakra. You can say Ram or Ram. Lord Rama is also associated with the solar plexus chakra. Then we have the sun god whom we say Suryaya. So I think I should begin with Om Suryaya Namaha. 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 Then I go on to the Bij mantra of the solar plexus chakra. You can say Ram, 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 Ram. That is the name of Lord Rama. And by chanting the name of Lord Rama, we empower our solar plexus chakra. Or you can say Ram, 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 Ram. That is the sound frequency which is going to help release any negativity from this chakra and enhance the energy of this chakra. Ram, you will see, dear friends, when you're going to chant this mantra Ram, you will see that there is an energy that is pulling inside your upper stomach, and from there you will see that the energy is moving. I am also being guided to talk about the son of Lord Sun, who is Saturn, who is Lord Shani. And Saturn is going in retrograde now for a period of say 4 to 5 months. And during this period of Saturn retrograde, I believe all of us are going to be gifted. That's what I always believe, that every retrograde is going to bring some kind of a gift. So all of the struggles that we were going through in our life are going to... Saturn is a planet of discipline. Saturn is a planet of hardships, hard work. And in any area of our life where we were paying our attention, we were giving our energies, be it in any area of your life, you're going to be blessed. That's the message from the Sun God, who is the father of Saturn. And Lord Saturn, or the planet Saturn, or Lord Shani, is about to bless us for the upcoming 4 to 5 months for whichever area of your life you were putting in your hard work. So which was the area where you were exactly putting in your hard work? Ask for a blessing in that area, or you can ask for a blessing in all the areas. I am going to say a mantra for Lord Shani, and Lord Shani is, whenever they bless, it is like, multi-trillions. How they bless, their blessings comes multifold. So let us take the mantra of Lord Shani, and with this mantra you can open all the blockages and be the winner in everything in your life. Om Ram Preem Prom Shani Devaya Namaha. Om Ram Preem Prom Saha Shani Devaya Namaha. Om Ram Preem Prom Saha Shani Devaya Namaha. Shanidev always blesses those people who are doing good karmas, people who take good care of their children, people who take good care of their parents, and who are, following the right paths in life, right morals. Shanidev blesses them. So dear friends, we are grounded and we are as above so below in this energy already. And I am going to tell you guys what the card of Sun, what is the energy that this solstice is bringing for the upcoming 6 months. Okay, dear friends, this card turned up in the weekly predictions, and this is what the energy is coming. And this will be induced into our body with this healing. Okay, So exactly what is going to come with this healing, I'm going to read for you. Soak in the energy, dear friends. Sun, number 28. 28 is 10 and 10 is a destiny shift. Growth in personal relationships, newfound optimism and enthusiasm. This is the energy this solstice is bringing towards us. Growth in personal relationships, newfound optimism and enthusiasm. All the codes that I just filled in your body, your solar plexus chakra, are going to help bring in these energies into your body now. The sun shines brightly on your whole life. You are feeling much more optimistic and enthusiastic about everything, and your life will be enriched through all of this positive energy. You will surely attract some wonderful experiences in your life. Over the period of 6 months, dear friends, to the next solstice, we are going to be embodying all of this energy. This is what they're going to do for us. Your newfound confidence will see you leaving past struggles behind as you embrace the radiant successes that will surround you. So exactly from the 6-6 portal also, we are in the month of June. There are a lot many successes that the sun's energy is going to bring into our life. Career and finances. What is it going to do for our career and finances? Dynamic goal attractions will keep you busy and you're on your toes, and difficult financial times will be put behind as you start attracting opportunities for financial security and growth on the career front. This is all the sun is telling, that this all sun is going to bring towards us with its energy. Ambitions will be satisfied around wealth issues with lot of new options and opportunities. Okay. This all we were looking for. We did a healing for becoming stinkingly rich. So all of it is coming with the sun's energy also. Alright, dear friends, keep taking this healing off and on. I believe that, it's going to bring a lot of boost in our energy. Relationships. This is a wonderful period for emotional happiness around your whole family. A lot of healings we have been making for focusing on the whole family. In fact, I have made a playlist of healings now that can serve you as well as your family. I'm going to include this one also. It's got some 58 healings and this will be the 59th healing. Have a check on that playlist, dear friends. I'm going to put it in the link if possible of this healing. Alright, if single, this card indicates the beginning of a strong new relationships. Okay, so beginning of strong new relationships, might be commitments coming, might be your soul family, soul tribe coming towards you. Existing relationships see positive growth and fertility at an all-time high. Children may bring double happiness and the greatest joy into your world. So this is extremely beautiful, dear friends. It is extremely beautiful. Wow. So exactly, that is why they pulled me towards themselves. And when I was reading for this week, I was just not aware that it just not strike me about the sun solstice energy this week. I was talking about the full moon energy, and we did get the card of enlightenment in our solar plexus chakra. So yes, this energy is going to enlighten our solar plexus chakra. Our inner child is going to get a lot of wisdom from our higher self, and this is like bringing in a lot of wisdom energy, but with a lot of light-hearted energy of care, carelessness, joy and fun and happiness. Okay, and I was telling you guys that why am I feeling like a very wise person. I want to get into my happy-go-lucky energy, and the sun is here to bring in this energy. Last but not the least, we did get the card from Archangel Michael which said decide to be happy now, and this is the energy coming from the solstice. So Archangel Michael is also bringing us to this energy from the sun. I'm going to read this card. This energy Archangel Michael is going to bring towards us with the solstice energy for the upcoming 6 months. So he says, decide to be happy now. The angels have heard you and are answering your prayers. Instead of making your happiness contingent upon future events, you can decide to be happy now. One way to do so is to focus on everything and everyone for whom you feel grateful. Exactly, I had made one healing, live healing for gratitude. You can take that healing also. Living in the energy of gratefulness, thankfulness, dear friends, we become happy in the moment. Alright, what is working well in your life? Think about it. These are the questions that you need to ponder on. Okay, what is working well in your life? What are your blessings and strengths? By allowing yourself to experience joy and pleasure now, you become empowered. Take control of your life and prevent outside influences from determining how you feel. Possible specific meanings through this card, what he is meaning to say to you. Detach from drama. So everyday drama, whatever is happening, just detach from that. Center within your energy. Listen to the wisdom of your body. Expect a miracle. Always expect a miracle in your life, dear friends. Like, what happened today? I was so down and out in my energy, and I was my friends are asking for a live reading. I have guests coming over. What is wrong with my energy body? I'm not just feeling myself, and how miraculously the sun's energy energized me. So, this is all miraculous things. When we expect a miracle, it does happen. Write a gratitude list. Maintain positive thoughts about this situation. Whatever situation you are going through at present, maintain positive thoughts. Open your heart to love. Your prayer to Archangel Michael: thank you for helping me open my heart to happiness, joy and bliss. And in fact, today in my meditations, I did ask Archangel Michael. I was so sad, down and out, and I was you gave that card. I still remember you gave that card. Decide to be happy now. How can I decide to be happy when I'm feeling so low in my energy? What's happening to me? What are these cards? What's going wrong? How am I going to work? So many things I was putting to the universe, and that's what I was telling you guys in this week, that we've got to talk to the universe more than we talk to people around, and how the universal energies, the sun, Archangel Michael, everybody came to me, answered me, and energized me to come here and even boost my friends. So do that, dear friends. Whenever feeling down and out, talk to your team, the angelic world that you have around you. Have a good conversation with them. So thank you for helping me open my heart to happiness, joy and bliss. I am now willing to see all the goodness in my life. Exactly. I was thinking that we are on Thursday and there was extremely good energy for this week. And where is that energy? So I did the reading on Monday, and we are just Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and it's for the 7 to 10 days, and we'll see the energy moving forward towards the upcoming 6 months. This is the energy that the summer solstice is bringing towards us, grounding you in this energy, my dear beautiful friends of love and light. Enjoy the sun every day. Put your sunscreens, go out, take your umbrellas, wear your glasses, but don't criticize the sun. Love our Father, Sun. Infusing you again with the energy of the sun, laughter, love, peace, and gratitude. Thank you so much, dear beautiful friends of love and light. Disconnecting from your energy and expecting a lot of vitality, happiness, joy, vigor, and anything to everything to come into your life with this healing. Do comment down below how you felt after this healing, and are you feeling energized? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling joyous? Looking forward to your comments, dear friends. Lots of love and best wishes. Happy solstice.